I'm going to show you guys how I do my 11-inch double stuffed balloons. This little contraption, I got this on Amazon for like $8 or $9. It is in my Amazon store if you want to find it to purchase it. I use cheap balloons for the inside color. I'm doing a Halloween themed balloon garland, and I wanted my red to look a little bit more deep versus like a bright color red. So I stuffed it with some balloons. Again, you can do this however you want, but you can just slide it over these little poles, and then this is what you come up with. Easy for me, may not work for you, but it works for me. So I figured I'll let you guys know how I do them. Um, Here they are, and it's just simple. You just pull them right off. I messed up there. And then you're done. This took a few minutes for me to do. Now we're going to inflate them. This balloon pump is also linked in my Amazon store if you'd like to purchase it. I love it. It has a foot pedal, so it's easy to work if you don't want to use your hands to push the button and inflate them. So we're just going to tie them together. I tied both balloon heads together, but you can just pull out the black and tie one. It makes it easier on your fingers. Here's the next set of balloons. And then we're just going to twist them together. And you've got your quad. This is how I do it. I hope that helps. Bye.